Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. Yes, I finally got my BoxyCharm. I got it a couple of days ago, and I recorded this video already and the footage was crap, basically crap. So I'm just redoing it. So we're just gonna go ahead and recap everything that I got in this box. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you can get 5 full-size products. They do have tiers. The first tier is a $25 monthly subscription. You get 5 products ranging over $120 something. The second tier is a BoxyCharm premium box, and that is $35, and you get 6 to 7 full-size items. And usually that box is like over $200 and something worth of product in there. And then there's a third tier, which is the BoxyCharm Luxe box, and that is a quarterly box. So every 3 months you get a big box. It's over 8 products. Sorry, it's over 8 products of full size. It could be beauty products, it could be lifestyle products, anything inside that box. And that usually is over $300 and something, and that is about $50 every 3 months. And that box actually replaces your base box, so you won't get the base box, but you'll get the Luxe box. Okay, so let's just jump into this. This is the $25 one. This is the base box. Okay, and this is the card. So here is the card. This theme is all about glamping. So we have spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber, and then, you know, the cards are super cute. My card says 28, so this is variation number 28 right there in the corner, and then it lists all the products that I received. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right up here so I can reach over. I'm gonna show you the product that I chose. So every month you get to choose at least one product that you want in your box, and when it's the Luxe time you get to choose 2 products. So for my base box I chose this. This is the GLAMGLOW MOISTURETRIP Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, release visible redness, and optimize skin barrier defense against environmental assaults. This smoothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief from skin stress. This retails for $54. I'm super excited that I got this, and this is about 1.7 ounce. So this is what it looks like when you open it. You have 24 months to use it once you open this, but I'll show you. Ooh. So it is like this green, lime green color. It smells really good too. So I'm super excited to try this. Oh, I got a little bit. Ooh, that feels nice. So yes, I'm a moisturizing queen. I love to moisturize my face, especially like I'm getting older. You need that going on, I guess. So yes, this is my first product and it is $54, right? So we're gonna go ahead and calculate it. Okay, the next product is this. This is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This cruelty-free primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. It dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. This retails for $20. I really don't use eyeshadow primer, even though I should, because my lids do tend to get oily. But this is what the product looks like, and you get about 0.35 ounce in here. This is made in South Korea as well. I should be using primers since I do have oily lids, and I feel like this will probably help out. I could try it and see. I don't do a lot of like colors or whatever. I'm more of the neutral brown, you know, warm tone kind of colors, because that's how normally I do my eyes. So, but I'm excited to receive this product. So again, this retails for $20. Okay, the next product that I received is this. Woohoo! This is the Morphe. I got this brush set. Oh, these babes. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection includes an oval shadow brush, a pro firming blending crease brush, a taper mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush, and this retails for $12. Morphe has some really good eyeshadow brushes and face brushes too, and they're very affordable. I do have tons of them because I do subscribe to a subscription called Glam, and they have Morphe Me brushes, and I'm always getting over $30 worth of brushes from them. So my collection has grown. So these looked really, really nice, and they're very, very soft. So yay. So this will be a nice brush set for my collection. And like I said, I do like Morphe brushes, so yay for that. Okay, so the next product that I received is this. This is the Trusty Summer Glow Plus Go set. A must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. This mini set features the best-selling shades of the highlight stick, a blush stick, a brow pencil, and a shadow crayon. The ultimate on-the-go set for your summer adventures. This retails for $42. This is a really cute set. I do have some Trestique products. I do have some highlighting sticks, and I believe I do have some of their lipsticks too. So, but I just think their packagings are super cute. This is what it looks like. They look like pencils. So here is the highlight stick. It is really gorgeous. Look at that color. Really, really pretty. Actually, I can put this. Let me get a mirror here. I'm gonna grab some of this and add this into my inner corner here of my eye. And do you see that? It's really gorgeous. Very easy to blend in into that inner corner. Look at, oops, I just dropped the cat, but get my hair out of my face. But can you see that? That glow in the inner corner. It's really, really pretty, so I do like that. So yay for the highlight stick, and I think it's called Medieval's Lumicent. So that's really pretty. Okay, and then the next one is a blush stick, and this one's called Moroccan Rose, and this is what it looks like. These are super cute. This blush, you're really going to have to build it up. So here is one swipe. I'm going to show you the one swipe. That is the one swipe, and then this was a couple of times. So that's really nice, so that you're not always like, oh my god, did I put too much or whatever. Okay, and then the next thing on here is the mini shadow crayon, and this is the Tahine Shimmer. I guess that's what it's called. This is really pretty too. Let's do it right here. And this is what this shows. The color looks like. It's like a copper gold. It is really pretty. I do like that. I want to say I do have one of these shadow sticks from Trestique. I just can't remember. And then this is the mini brow pencil, and it's called Americano. This one I did swatch it, and it was rough. And I did say, like in my other video, see, look at how many times I'm gonna put this in. Like, I did say in the other video that I don't know how I feel. Here's that color. I wouldn't know how I feel about using this product on my eyebrows. I feel like it will take my hairs out just because how rough this pencil is. But this is the shape. It's like a triangle shape. It's pretty rough, and now like trying it again, it's still rough. I don't know how I would feel about using this on my eyebrows. Probably leave me with no eyebrows. Okay, so that is a really, I mean, it's a really cute set except for the eyebrow pencil, but these colors are very gorgeous. All right, now the last thing I received here is another Trestique brand. I was saying in my other video that I don't mind Trestique. I love Trestique brands and stuff like that. I just wish that I would have got a different brand product. But I got two Trestique brand, you know, products here. But I gotta admit, these are amazing. Let me tell you about them. This is the Trestique A Matte for Every Mood Mini Matte Lip Crayon Set. Every shade of this mini matte lip crayon to match every one of your moods. Enjoy a vividly buildable color and a weightless matte finish that lasts all day. These ultra soft matte lip crayons come in a petite size, making it a perfect for on the go. And this is what it looks like. I do have two of these colors, so I'm gonna go and grab them so I don't swatch the ones that are in here, because then I can just give them to somebody else. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch the ones that I don't have. The first one here is like the shades that we have. The two that I have is Florence Fig and Belza Bordex. I want to say that's what it's called. I have those two. I'm telling you, I've had Trestique before. I've gotten it from Ipsy. I think I did get a lip kit from Ipsy too as well last month, and there was like two colors in there that I did. No, I think it was like one or two colors that I had in there that I already have in my collection, because these are really nice just to throw in your purse, you know, as an, you know, on the go, and they're really cute. So this first one right here is Nantucket Nude. Very pretty. The next one is the one I have, and it's called Florence Fig. And you can see how pretty beat up this is. This is like my favorite. Florence Fig is one of my favorites from the Trestique lippies. Alright, and then the next one is Barcelona Bright Berry. This one, it's so funny because it's a bright berry, that's what it's called, but it's very pinky. That's like one color that I probably won't use, you know, wear on my lips and stuff like that, but I can always give that to somebody. The next color is Chile Red. And that is red. It's gorgeous. I'm getting like lipstick all over me. And then the next color, oh, I have this one, let me pull it out, and it's big. This is like the full size of the Trestique's like matte crayons and stuff like that, and they do have like a lip balm in the bottom. So here is the full size. This one is called the Belza Bordex, I don't know, but this is what it looks like, and I'll show you this color. Now that to me looks like a berry. It's very pretty. And then the last color I got here is Tuscan Wine. this is what this one looks like. It's really gorgeous. So I gotta admit that out of all these colors, I think the pink one is like the one that I wouldn't wear, but like the rest for sure. And they're really, really, really gorgeous. I do like this. They do last on the lips a very long time, and they're very comfortable. Even when I was washing off my hands the first time I did this, it took forever for me to take it off. I first scrubbed it with soap, and then I just grabbed a makeup wipe, and then I had to wipe it again and then wash my arm again. It was just like a process. But those are some gorgeous colors, and I just can't wait to use them, you know. So that is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm Base box this month. This month's box retailed over $186, and I only paid $25 plus taxes on this box. So I'm super, super excited for everything that I got. This was a good month's base box, I gotta admit. Yeah, I was kind of upsetting about like getting the two the same brand, but you know what? I love the lip sets. They're really great. The only product that's on here that I not going to be a big fan of is the brow, but the rest, they're very beautiful. The colors are very, very gorgeous. So I gotta say, I'm gonna give it a 4.5, just because of having the two brands and then the one product in there. But gotta admit, this was a good box. Alright guys, that is everything that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't, please subscribe. That would be awesome. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks again. Love you lots. Mwah. Bye.